Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently in 2026 step by step. Okay, let's get started. First, open your Facebook app and now tap on the three dot line option and scroll down. Now tap on the setting and privacy and now tap on the setting. Now tap on the see more in account center, scroll down. Now tap on the personal details and account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion. Select your Facebook account, scroll down, delete account, continue, scroll down, again continue, select your problem. I just need a break, continue, yes, deactivate instead, scroll down, continue, see, select your password, now enter your password and now continue and delete your Facebook account. I hope your problem easily solved. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.